In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the view in Google Calendar. Whether you're looking to see just today's appointments or plan out your entire month at a glance, Google Calendar offers a flexible way to organize your schedule effectively. Let's dive into how you can quickly switch between different calendar views to suit your needs. First, you'll need to head over to your Google Calendar. This can be done by opening your browser and typing in the Google Calendar URL, or you can navigate to it directly if you're already signed into your Google account. Once you're on the calendar page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice several view options laid out for you. These view settings allow you to customize how your events and appointments are displayed. Let's explore what each of these options has to offer and how they can benefit your day-to-day scheduling. The first option is the day view. Selecting this will show you all the events scheduled for the current day. This is particularly useful if you're focusing on the tasks you need to accomplish today and want a clutter-free view of what's on your plate. Next is the week view. This is ideal for planning your week ahead or for getting a quick overview of your commitments over the coming days. By adopting this view, you can efficiently manage weekly meetings, deadlines, and personal activities. The month view is another handy option for those who prefer a broader outlook. When you choose the month view, you'll see an entire month's worth of events all at once. This helps with spotting long-term patterns or preparing for a busy time at work or with family commitments. Now, if you're interested in tracing back through the year or planning far ahead, you'll want to switch to the year view. This view provides a comprehensive overview, making it easier to highlight longer trends or significant events that occur once or twice a year. For those who like things laid out in a chronological order, the schedule view offers a simple list of events organized by day. This is ideal if you prefer following a linear sequence of what's coming up next without focusing on a specific time frame like a day or a week. Lastly, Google Calendar also offers the 4 days view. This choice will show your events for the current day plus the next 3 days, which can be helpful for short-term planning, especially at the beginning of a busy working week or right before a major holiday. Now that you know how to switch between these views, you can tailor your Google Calendar experience to exactly how you like to organize your time. Whether you need a broad overview or detailed daily breakdowns, Google Calendar's view options have got you covered. Take a moment to explore these settings and see which one best suits your lifestyle. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.